What's up, my ninjas? Okay, really excited to share this video with you, and I hope everyone is being safe. I hope everyone is maintaining their social distance and washing regularly, sanitizing, and all these things, staying home. It's really a trying time for a lot of people around the world, and it's important that we, just do the best we can to ride this thing through. If you're like me, you would be very happy that you have a business online. And if you don't have a business online, then now is probably a good time to start. Many people are now working from home. They're forced to work from home. Many people who have jobs that they work at a brick and mortar store, or they're out and about, a lot of these people are actually out of jobs, and they're worrying where they can get income from. A lot of people are filing for bankruptcy, filing for government help. And if you do have an internet business, you're actually looking to grow and scale your business up to ride through these rough times, and even when times get better, to actually have increased sales. And in this video, we're going to talk about one way that you can actually get sales. And it's probably the same reason you haven't been getting as many sales as you could. So without further ado, we are going to jump into that right now. Now, as you can see, I am logged into a piece of software called GetResponse. Now, GetResponse is an autoresponder software. As the name suggests, it is able to respond to customers automatically. So you can set things up so that emails can go out to customers daily, weekly, monthly, or whenever there's a special promotion, or whenever there's something new or something fresh happening. So if you're in affiliate marketing, if you have your online store, or if you have a product that you're offering or service that you're offering, you can actually generate sales through automated response. Now, the way that this is happening, or the way that this happens, is, well, let's talk about the reason a lot of people aren't making as much money. The main reason a lot of people aren't making as much money is that they're not capturing their potential clients' or customers' information. From personal experience, when I am looking for a product and I go into a physical store, maybe I don't like the prices, maybe I just need more time to think it through, maybe it's something I want to see and potentially, take my time and mull over it for a bit before I actually purchase the product. But what happens a lot of times, I'll tell the agent, hey, I'll see you in a bit, I'll be back. And as the saying goes, out of sight, out of mind, and I'll forget. If you were able to capture my information or any potential customer's information, you could actually prompt them in the future, hey, we remember you stopped by our store, we're having a sale next week, would love for you to come in and see what we have to offer. Boom. Before you know it, oh yeah, I'm there thinking, I forgot about that. Let me go back and see what things are like. Let me see that product again. GetResponse allows you to capture information, retarget people, and in retargeting people, you actually increase your sales by about 40 to 50%. I kid you not, it works. So let's show you real quick what GetResponse looks like. It's very easy to use. A lot of the functions and features are drag and drop, and it makes life a lot easier. So when you log in into your account, this is what it looks like. You have a lot of little features that help you get around, getting you acquainted with how things are. So firstly, there's a welcome video that takes you through a tour. I'm not going to play that for you right now, but you can actually sign up for a free webinar. Oh, and by the way, I'll leave a link in the description below. That link actually gives you a 30-day free trial. Yes, 1 month free trial. And at the end of the month, if you don't like it, hack it. If you like it, your initial payment will be $15 US. I kid you not, it is that cheap. Alright, so GetResponse. So when you log in, you can create forms, you can create newsletters, which is pretty much one email that's sent out to your group at will. or at a given moment in time that you need it to, not an automated responder. You can create landing pages. Now, a landing page is something that prompts users. You're baiting them. I don't want. Okay, I'm using the word bait loosely, but you're offering something in exchange for their name and email address. It could be a free ebook, it could be a free course, it could be a free video, or you could invite them to a webinar like it does here. Sign up for a free webinar. You could take them to a sample of something that they would want, and it's good enough to prompt them to put in their name and email address so that they can get this free product. In capturing their information, you can actually now in the future offer other products and services to these people, and that's how you can actually generate sales and generate leads at the same time. You can, so yeah, landing pages are designed to have your customers land on them once they click your link to your product or service. You can add contacts, and you can create autoresponder emails. So you can create emails. For example, if someone were to sign up, they would click the link, go to your landing page, enter their information, and once the information is entered, you can set up emails that go out instantly or a day after they sign up. Emails that welcome them to your group, emails that remind them of certain things that they signed up for, anything like that. You can create autoresponders that do those things. And that's the power of GetResponse. Now, you have several packages, and you'll actually see those when you go into your free trial. Okay? Now, GetResponse actually went a step further, and they allow you to create landing pages. Like I said, there are many designated landing and funnel page builders out there. Some of the most notable ones are ClickFunnels, which I've spoken of quite a few times in my previous videos. There are sites like Kartra that offer designated funnel building, landing page building software. But GetResponse is pulling everything together, and they're offering you everything in one package that you pay per month. Okay, so real quick, let me show you just some samples of some offerings. So lists is one product that's offered. Lists are, as it suggests, the lists created when people opt in. So when they land on the landing page and they enter their information, these lists are created. So I had products and services that I was actually promoting before, and for example, there was the launch of a product called the Commission Hero that teaches you how to promote other people's products and being able to generate a commission from it. From that campaign, I generated 8 leads. So if I were to click on this page, I would actually see the list of people who opted in for more information to this actual product or service. So what's so powerful about a list? Well, from that list, I was able to create a newsletter, right? In creating a newsletter, so I clicked on create newsletter. You can do a drag and drop email editor, or if you're good with coding, you could actually do it through codes through the HTML editor that you saw on the right. So if I wanted to do something like send out a one-time email to my list, I would actually select the list, enter a message name. So this is the name I want to identify the message as, and as it says here, this is for me personally to know what message this is. Message name will not appear in the list of your messages. It will not be seen by your subscribers. So this is for me to identify what message this is. So let's say thank you, and the subject is, so just like a regular email, you would have a subject line. You could say thank you for your interest in Commission Hero, for argument's sake. So the next step, you just click next, and that will take you to your template page. Now the template page in GetResponse is really nice. It has a whole lot of pre-built pages that you can use to wow your clients, customers on your list. So you can see here they have them grouped up on the left based on categories. There's creative agencies if you're running a creative agency. There's arts and entertainment, health and beauty, right? Birthday. So if you knew someone, if you had a field where people entered their birthday on your landing page, you could actually send them happy birthday greetings on their birthday, and things like these actually make people feel special and actually want to spend money with you. So that's something you could keep in mind. There's real estate and a host of other things. Now, if none of these tickle your fancy, you could actually just start from scratch, and these templates actually show you what the setup is going to look like. So on top of this one, you're going to have an image and then the body of the email. Here you'll have some wording up top, image in the middle, more wording at the bottom in the body, and so on and so forth. So looking at these templates and how the schematics are laid out, you can actually tell what type of email you'll be creating. Or if you want to just do it from a completely blank slate, then you can do that as well. So let's do the 1 column 3 one, just for the example, just for the sake of this video. So while that loads, here's just something that they put to show you what it will look like. Over here you can add blocks, text blocks, image blocks, both image and text, and another text and image but with a different orientation. So you could actually pay attention to what you're doing, and you could literally build something from scratch if you did not have a prefabricated template placed here. This is how it would look on your right on a cell phone, and how it would look if your cell phone was turned into the landscape orientation versus the portrait view. So let's go ahead and just create something really quick, really simple. So I wanted to tell the people who opted in thank you. Now we're going to just